The opening bell is about to ring on Wall Street. Stocks are set to open flat today after yesterday's sharp sell-off. The Dow and S&P 500 both coming off their worst day since October. ABC News business correspondent Deirdre Bolton is here with more. So, Deirdre, we just talked a lot about GameStop there. Is that having an impact on the broader market?
Terry, if you look at volume and the shares that traded hands yesterday, the resounding answer is yes. It was around 24 billion shares trading hands yesterday. So you had so much market participation. And to put that in context, we haven't seen a trading day that busy since at least 2007. I was messaging with some traders when they had 5 seconds to answer a text or a DM. I can't say in polite company some of the comments that I was getting. I will just tell you it was extremely busy. But longer term, there is something that you just alluded to, which is really important, which is to keep in mind that day trading, whatever you want to call this is not about investing, right? It's quick in, it's quick out. This isn't about building a portfolio for someone's retirement. This is not about evaluating the actual fundamentals of a company, or if it is, that is a very small fraction. But to your point, you know, we saw a lot of these stocks, for example, AMC, GameStop, they closed higher yesterday. But as you said, Terry, you know, S&P 500, that was the worst day that we've seen in 3 months. So it does look like smoother sailing, or at least, let's say, calmer sailing in today's session, Terry.
We'll see. It's quite a story. And Deirdre, we got some new data on the jobs market this morning. 847,000 people filed for first-time unemployment claims last week. Still incredibly high. Trending in the right direction, I guess.
It is incredibly high.
And the U.S. economy grew.
Yeah, it's better.
Take it away.
Sorry, Terry. Sorry. Yeah, listen, that initial weekly jobless claims data, that was slightly better than forecast. It's slightly better than what we saw last week. So that in and of itself is encouraging. But to your point, these are remarkably high numbers. And if you look at all of the people who are filing for every form of unemployment benefit that we've seen, including the pandemic assistance programs, we can still take a look at this last week, which we're talking about, versus this week a year ago, and we can still say there are at least 6 times more people needing assistance last week versus last week a year ago. So yes, this particular week's data a little bit better than what we expected, but overall still at least 6 times worse than where we were at this point a year ago. You also mentioned that fourth quarter GDP print. So it came in at 4% versus the 4.3%, which was forecast. So it just shows you we have a more moderate recovery than what some were hoping for, Terry.
Still so many people struggling out there. Deirdre Bolton, thanks so much on the Business Beat for us.
Sure.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.